Hey everyone, it's Jenny at goinggear.com and I have the Suunto Core Red Crush watch. It is like having a Swiss Army knife for your wrist, and especially when you're going hiking. So I'm going to go over just the basics of it, what it offers, and to show you a few of the modes. So like I said, this is kind of like the Swiss Army knife for your wrist. This is a great outdoor watch, especially if you're an outdoorsman, you enjoy hiking, you enjoy getting to summits, or you're just an outdoors person in general and camping, if that's your kind of thing. So let me just show you the basics. It comes in several different colors. I have red here, but you can get it in black, you can get it different styles. It has a very large face on it. To navigate through the interface, you have 3 buttons on this right side of it for navigating. And then on the left side you have 2 buttons for switching through modes and exiting. And obviously they do numerous other functions as well. The watch itself has an altimeter, a barometer, and a compass, as well as your time. So as you can see, I have it on the time currently. And you can switch through it. You can have your date underneath. You can have seconds running. You can have dual time, military, and your 12-hour. You can do your sunrise, sunset, a timer, and then a countdown. So you have all those options under the time setting. Next, to click over to the altimeter and barometer, you click the middle right button, and now I have the altimeter and the barometer pulled up. The functions under this involve temperature, a log recorder for both of them, reference, and you can have the time up while you have this up. Also temperature, as I said. So we'll just click through them. You can see the temperature. And you can change all this. I'll show you the modes where you can change what it shows. Then click one more time on the middle button, or press it one more time, and now I'm in the compass mode. And it has several functions under it. You can have the time displayed, or you can do it by the cardinal directions. And then also a really cool feature is a bearing. So if I point the watch a certain way, you see the little arrow up there, whatever the arrow is pointing, that's the direction I want to walk. Depending on where I'm walking, the little arrow appears above the degrees and tells you which way you should turn to continue into that direction. So pretty cool feature. And pretty cool watch. So to access just the adjusting mode or adjusting the time and all of those other functions, you would hold the middle button down. Hold down for a second, you see the rings go around, and now I'm just under all the functionality of the watch. You can set memory. Here's where you'll set your time and date, the sunrise, also the effects of your altimeter and barometer. Under this function, what's really cool about it is that you can have a storm alarm that will alert you if there's a storm approaching or weather in general. And then just also a reference of where you were at. It'll record your altitude, sea level, etc. So then to back out of that, you just click on that top left one. Now I'm back into the compass mode where I left. Now I'm going to go back into the functions of changing it and show you the rest of the menu. So you have your compass settings and then also your general settings and your units. I'll go into the general for you. You can change the button tone, the backlighting, your language, etc. And that way you can personalize the watch to how you want it. Also, to have it backlit, you press the bottom right, and with a little bit of help, you can see it lit up. And then I'm back to standard. So for an outdoors watch, outdoorsman's watch, this is a handy watch. It's going to come in very handy if you want to track how high you've trekked into the mountains, also how far you have to go to a summit if you want it to set that, or if you want to navigate through the woods by the compass. Also, it has the ring that rotates, so you can rotate that around accordingly. This watch has so many more functions than what I've just showed you here. It's just an awesome interface. Like I said, Swiss Army knife for your wrist. You should check it out, especially if you like these basic features and even just in general. It has a great look to it. It's a great watch, and you can find it at goinggear.com. And I'm Jenny, and you can find this along with other great products at goinggear.com.